this video I'm unboxing this product by Power Practical Luminoodle TV Monitor Bias Lighting, 14 colour options, dimmable wireless remote. This is 2 meters long. Luminoodle TV Monitoring Bias Lighting. I am going to put this behind a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. So this is 14 colour option, dimmable wireless remote. I do have one for a 55-inch TV. That one is a different make. It's like it just came in a jiffy bag. It was all unbranded. This, you know, cheap Chinese crap. This I have another Luminoodle product, which I have in my wardrobe, and it uses 3 AA batteries, but it's really good. It just adds, you know, wireless lighting, and I actually left it on for about 2 or 3 days, and the lights were still on. So the batteries do last quite a while. I do use any loop batteries. I will put a link in the video description for the batteries I use, but this one just plugs into USB. This one's a 2 meter one. So here are the sizes: 24-inch up to 60-inch TV. Bias light will add some awesome ambient light behind your TV or computer monitor, help prevent eye strain and provide deeper looking blacks on your screen. It's easy to install, dimmable, and has 14 colour selections controlled by built-in. But anyway, let's and this is quite expensive. The one for my 55-inch TV was like, I think 6 quid or something, 5 quid. This one is about 20 quid, and it's just 2 meters. But who cares? So I do use my computer monitor sometimes late at night, and I do get eye strain. So this may be quite a good solution for that. If I can get it open. So nothing else in the bag. It's like a crisp packet in there. So are you happy with your purchase? Don't care. TV color bias lighting. So maybe this, because the one I've got is kind of, well, actually the one I've got, the cheapo one, looks similar to the cheapo one. Comes in this like film strip cogwheel, but it looks this bit looks quite smart. You got a plus, and so you can just, you don't really need the remote. You can just use that on your, if you're using it at arm's reach on your monitor, you can just use this. The buttons do feel a bit tough to press. Here's the cheapo one, and here's the this one. So similar design. I would say the buttons on this feel much better quality by about 20%, if that's a thing. This one's harder to press, but they got a similar looking design on the back, so I reckon this is possibly a similar design to this one. Uses CR2025. This one uses CR2025 batteries. So here's the instruction manual, and I've got to say, it smells like those sticker books, those Panini sticker books, World Cup sticker books, or the Premier League ones. It has a lovely, I could just smell that all day. But anyway, so it has 15 colours. So the cheapo one just has cool white, which is kind of more of like a bluish tint. It's not very good white, the cheapo one has. This one has all these colours: solid colour mode, crossfades, and it will slowly change from colour to colour. The cheapo one, it has flash, strobe, fade, smooth. This one, it just flashes like a, you know, Christmas tree light, which I obviously don't use because it's distracting. You don't really need that. So the inline remote, it has these options here: colour cycle up, faster, crossfade. So the plus icon on the remote does that. It's colour cycle up, so this changes the colours from here. Power on mode, dimmer off. So you get pretty much full control of this. So you don't really need the remote. But I would suggest buying some of these batteries anyway when you do buy it. Colour shortcut, so you can just change the colours straight off the bat there. You just freeze frame this if you want to watch it. Tex-Mex, FCC, who cares? This is probably you might be useful. So screen size, so I've got 34 inch, so actually 3 meters would be better, but My one's an ultra-wide monitor, so that might not be that applicable. What I did was I just measured the back. I just kind of did a rough sort of, so I've got a bit going up there, a bit going across the screen, and then a bit going up there, and it measured about like 1.8 meters. So it plugs into a USB port. Do be aware that this one, when I plugged it into my LG 2017 TV, it would just come on randomly. Usually, because my TV does stuff it just turns on and does stuff, like it refreshes the screen or something. It also records Freeview. It did come on like in the middle of the night, so that's a little bit annoying. So what I did with the cheapo one on my LG TV is actually just plug it into a USB port on a master plug extension thingy. So it's self-contained. For a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor, I did find 2 meters to be enough.